in this. Full backup is obviously full backup. So if full backup is the most reliable backup, you have complete set of the backup. So you can restore it very easily. And cumulative incremental backup is once you take a full backup and then next day you take a cumulative incremental backup. So it will take only the difference of the next day. And for example, on Monday, you take a cumulative incremental backup. So it will take a backup of only increment, which data is incremented, not the full backup. On Tuesday, if you run the cumulative incremental backup, so it will take the Monday backup as well and the next increment as well. So it have the Tuesday increment and Monday increment as well. So like from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, if you go to the Saturday, so you have the incremental backup including the Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So if you want to restore the backup, so you need only to restore full backup and Saturday backup. So you can go towards your backup. And what is the difference between differential incremental backup? So differential incremental backup, every incremental backup only, differential backup only. So it will not include the previous data. So if you want to restore it, you have to restore the whole chain from Saturday to Monday, and then you first restore the full backup, and then you have to restore the whole chain to go back to your recovery point. So in example, I will show it to you. Next slide are example. So I think this that will clear you all the things. Okay, full backup advantage. What are the advantages of full backup? So you can recover your data, but it requires space, a lot of space. For example, if you want to backup, if you want to backup full backup every day, so you have a lot of space requirement. You cannot do every day full backup. So it should be monthly or weekly full backup. So you cannot do full backup every day. It will occupy a lot of space, and also the backup window will be too much. So in cumulative incremental backup, the advantage is that it requires less space than the full backup, because it will back up only the increments every day, including every day. And the disadvantage is that you have to obviously you have to restore the last cumulative backup and full backup. And differential incremental, this is the maximum storage saving backup. This is the maximum storage space saving with small window. Obviously, if you are doing differential only every day, so the storage space requirement is less than cumulative and full, and the backup window will be also smaller. And the disadvantage is that you have to restore the complete chain and full backup. So let's see in the examples what are the differences. For example, this is differential incremental backup. On January 1st, I have full backup, and January 2, I have differential incremental, Jan 3, differential incremental, Jan 4, differential incremental backup, and then I have a fault. So what will be the procedure to restore the complete backup? The recovery is Jan 1st full backup plus Jan 2 incremental, Jan 3 incremental, and Jan 4. So I have to restore the whole chain. Otherwise, I will be not able to get the latest data. So in differential, this is the drawback. You can say that you have to restore the complete chain to go back to your recovery point. Okay, in cumulative incremental backup, for example, I have full backup on Jan 1 and Gen 2, Gen 3, and Gen 4, and then I have a fault. So what is the difference? The recovery plan is I have to restore Gen 1 full backup and Gen 4. So I don't need to restore the Gen 3 and Gen 2, because in Gen 4, I already have the Gen 2 and Gen 3 data. So this is the difference. In cumulative incremental backup, I have to restore the last cumulative backup with full. So I'll be able to restore my backup.